Unlock the secrets your wardrobe holds. How your clothes may be absorbing negative energy, inviting bad luck and poverty. Join Deepak Chopra on a transformative journey as he reveals the solution to flip the script on misfortune. Discover the powerful fix that can reshape your fate and bring positivity into your life. Ever get that feeling like an unseen force is holding you back from your dreams? Well, spoiler alert. It's that invisible energy lurking in the shadows. But fear not. We're delving into 6 game-changing methods to shield yourself from the sneak attacks of negative vibrations. We're not just talking about mood swings. It's about safeguarding your dreams, projects, and everything that sets your heart racing. You might not even realize it, but these energies are playing puppeteer with your success. This isn't just a tutorial. It's a game changer. Don't just watch. Engage. Your transformation starts now. Let's talk about energy today. How it impacts us and how it affects the globe. As noted by Albert Einstein, energy is the basis for everything. Everything in our environment, both visible and invisible, is made of pure energy. This insight arises from realizing that everything vibrates, even the tiniest, most seemingly static objects are vibrating. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. As we navigate this guide, ponder on why it's crucial to distance ourselves from negative energy that might affect our lives. These negative vibes stem from our thoughts and feelings, creating an energy that surrounds us. For instance, the energy in places with frequent arguments or where people are unwell can influence how we feel. Similarly, dealing with rude individuals or being in a toxic work environment can leave an energetic imprint. It's about recognizing that your inner feelings impact how your life unfolds. To achieve great things, you need to rise above feelings like jealousy, anger, hate, frustration, or worry, as these emotions hinder progress. Pay attention, as this video conveys a powerful and essential message. Start transforming your life by giving it thoughtful consideration. If you're as pumped as I am about what I'm sharing, affirm, I am destined for success. I am created in the image of God. Saying this is akin to making a profound promise to yourself, signaling the beginning of your transformative journey. Now, let's dive into the first method to shield yourself from negativity, a gentle practice you can incorporate into your life. Minerals. These special elements come from the earth and form crystals, each with a unique energy. Take smoky quartz, for instance. It comes in various colors and performs a fascinating task. It absorbs negativity and transforms it into purity. Keep it close to eliminate negative vibes around you. If you're in a challenging situation, tuck a quartz into your pocket or place it near your workspace, but ensure no one touches it. Exercise caution if it's exposed. Be wary of accidental touches. As the quartz absorbs energy, cleanse it by soaking it in salt water by the window overnight to eliminate accumulated energy. Another notable mineral is the obsidian sphere, which is potent in grabbing and transmuting negative energy, especially effective indoors. Colors carry vibrations and energy. Extensively studied in color psychology, marketing, and the business world. Color significantly impacts our perceptions and emotions. I'll also guide you on how the colors you wear can shield you from negativity in this tutorial, a valuable lesson. The second method to repel negativity involves prayer. When facing tough times, saying a prayer can be remarkably helpful. Let me share a potent prayer with you. Place your hands on your heart and repeat after me. I am a divine being full of wisdom and knowledge. I am traveling and learning on the path. Divine wisdom accompanies me because I am made of stardust. I love and respect myself because I am important. This prayer, crafted from powerful sacred psalms, connects you to higher energy. The third approach to ward off negativity is through self-talk, as suggested by Deepak Chopra. I encountered his teachings in my youth and resonated with his metaphysical ideas. According to him, engage in a conversation within your mind, counteracting negativity, and steer your thoughts in a positive direction. If you find yourself at a family gathering where people are excessively negative and speaking ill of others, internally affirm, I resonate with the energy of love, while they criticize and speak negatively. The world supports me, and the universe supports me. I resonate with the energy of love. Consistently process these thoughts to maintain a sense of self, stay connected with your energy, and shield yourself from the disturbance caused by individuals engaged in negative discourse. Another method to prevent the infiltration of negative energy into your life, leading to irritability, discomfort, headaches, and various issues such as anxiety and sometimes depressive states, is closely related to energy. It involves understanding how an individual has depleted their energy to levels where they're almost devoid of positive energy, with the remaining energy being predominantly negative. It is crucial to listen attentively and engage in practices like taking baths. A simple bath entails filling the bathtub with warm water and adding 3, 5, or 7 handfuls of sea salt, working with numerology and the mystical numbers 3, 5, and 7. Stir the salt well to facilitate its dissolution, then immerse yourself in the water. Upon exiting, refrain from using any gel, shampoo, or similar products. Allow the salt to fulfill its role as it induces an ionic exchange, facilitating a connection with your energy. Inspired by the experiments of Masaru Emoto, a water researcher, soaking in salt water shows its beauty, a calm fading of worries and a strong refresh of our energy. For those without a fancy bathtub or living near the sea, there's another way. Stand under a relaxing shower and purposefully put a bit of salt on top of your head. This is called 100 meetings in different cultures, a special point where all our body's energy comes together, matching the old idea of chakras. The ritual is easy but impactful. Put some salt on the 100 meetings or the upper chakra and let yourself relax when you turn on the shower. Allow the water to gently flow, letting the salt move through you. Free yourself from the heaviness of problems, taking each breath in a calm way. Once the salt has fully dissolved, let the water stick around for a bit before ending your cleansing shower. It's essential not to use gels, shampoos, or anything like that in this special cleaning routine. Now, consider the color of your clothes. It sends a strong message. For example, black signifies no color, while white, with all colors, means protection. When you wear black, appreciate its beauty but also challenge the notion that black doesn't protect. Break from the usual by adding a bit of color, yellow and orange, for instance. Embrace orange, a color linked to creativity and protection. If you love black, make it more elegant by adding something extra, like a necklace or scarf. Mixing colors not only matches but also lifts you up, creating a subtle shield from judgments. In your choices, think about these ideas, each one contributing to the detailed fabric of your well-being. If you dress entirely in black, you may become vulnerable, realizing that you're losing energy, and everything people tell you will affect you because black doesn't protect. Quite the opposite. Now, when I say goodbye, never forget how much I adore you. Because you are valuable. That is the germ of your garden. I want you to love yourself much more. If you think of yourself as significant, life will reciprocate. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. As we conclude this enlightening journey with Deepak Chopra, remember, your choices extend beyond mere fashion. By understanding the energy your clothes hold, you've taken a pivotal step toward transforming your destiny. Embrace the newfound wisdom and implement the provided solution to banish negativity. May your path be paved with positivity, prosperity, and the vibrant energy you deserve. Thank you for embarking on this transformative adventure with us. Wishing you a future filled with luck, abundance, and the power to shape your own destiny.